Let's ship one of your Shopify orders right from YoPrint. Open the synced sales order and create a shipment. We'll use Shippo here. Confirm the shipping address that came over from Shopify, then check the product and add it. Save the shipment. Now create the shipping label, add a package, picking a box and entering its weight and size, which are used in calculating Shippo rates. Then click Get Rates. Shippo pulls in live prices from the carriers. Pick a service. We'll go with UPS Ground Saver, then purchase the label. That charges our Shippo account and creates the tracking number. When ready to fulfill, set the shipment status. Here, we'll mark it shipped, picked up. YoPrint then asks to create the Shopify fulfillment with the option to notify the customer. Then confirm. The fulfillment and tracking post straight back to the Shopify order. Open it in Shopify, and there it is, marked fulfilled, with the tracking right on the order. That's a Shopify order shipped from YoPrint. Try it on your next order.